First of all, let's check these results. In today's video, I'm going to show you some incredible results created with Google AI Studio's Nano Banana, and honestly, these will blow your mind. So, let's jump straight to our first image. Alright, right now I need an image for a thumbnail, cinematic but just like those top creators' thumbnails. So, I'll paste this prompt along with my image, and boom! Nano Banana just turned a simple picture into a next-level thumbnail. Now, let's move to the next topic, an image that features both the Squid Game player and the mastermind. This style is going super viral on social media right now. Just upload your image, type this prompt, and boom, perfect result. If it doesn't look right the first time, don't worry. Just retry once and you'll get the perfect output. Next, if you only have a selfie but want a full-body image, simply type this prompt and upload your photo. Within seconds, your result will be ready. Expressions, colors, outfits, everything looks totally natural. So right now, I need some images like this. For that, I'll simply upload my image, add the given prompt, hit enter, and check the results. And trust me, they look completely realistic and high quality. After that, I want some images where Jeff Bezos and Elon Musk are fighting. I'll just upload both characters' images, enter the prompt, and unbelievable. I honestly didn't expect to get such detailed results. Now let's move on to something more cinematic. I want an image showing a person with multiple personalities. For that, I'll just write this prompt, hit enter, and check the results. Okay, maybe the first output doesn't perfectly match my requirements. No problem, I'll just generate again, and boom! Check it out. The results are super high quality and detailed. Next, if you have two images, one of your character and the second of any type of clothing or suit, you can easily make your character wear that outfit. For example, I wanted to put Iron Man's suit on Elon Musk. So I just entered the prompt, uploaded both images, hit enter, and boom! Check the results. High quality, cinematic, and completely realistic. Finally, I want an image where the character looks extremely powerful and is about to punch the ground with some VFX and CGI level detail. So again, I'll just give the prompt in the image, hit enter, and boom! Check these results. Fully realistic and cinematic. And now, let's move to the trendiest image idea. Just write a short prompt, upload your image, and boom! Your photo transforms into a 3D character sitting at a desk with a laptop. If you don't want the outfit to change, just remove that part from the prompt. Finally, let's try a cinematic jungle view image where you're standing next to an animal. Just paste the prompt into Nano Banana and your perfect cinematic shot is ready. Let's move on to the next image. This time, I'll give Nano Banana this prompt. Make this a cinematic golden hour portrait. Warm soft light, lens flare, orange-pink sky reflections, dreamy depth of field, natural glow, film-grade realism. Now, look at this result. See how precisely Nano Banana added the glow and lens flare? It looks just like a professional cinematic portrait. Honestly, this result looks like a real studio shot photo. Now, let's move to something more challenging. This is just a normal selfie, and I want to transform it into a cyberpunk scene. So, I'll type this prompt. Make this a neon-lit cyberpunk night scene. Reflections on glass, rain particles, holograms, purple-blue lighting, futuristic atmosphere. And honestly, I didn't expect results this good. It turned into a futuristic cinematic shot. Lighting, reflections, and the whole environment look ultra-detailed and alive. So that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed these image editing results, drop a comment below, because in the next video, I'll share a list of Hollywood-level cinematic AI prompts. Until then, make sure to check out more AI-related videos on my channel. Learn today, lead tomorrow.